What's up, good people? What's up, good people? All right, so check it out. I messed up. Here we go. I didn't record an intro, and then I recorded what I'm about to do today, and then realized after I finished recording, I never recorded an intro. So this is the intro to the video that I'm about to show you. Even though it's already been done, I'll show it to you. I won't snake you. Here we go. Check it out. Do you see the honeycombs? Oh, that's pretty dope. Let's see how we do it. It's a pretty simple process. It's a 3-layer vinyl covering. Pull off the Dodge logos, put on a 3-layer vinyl covering. If you don't know what you're doing, you could probably screw it up. But yeah, let's see how we do it. All right, guys, so check it out. I just removed the Dodge off of the car. Use the heat gun and a light. Always gotta have a light. And I removed that. I tried to record it, and as soon as I finished taking it off, I realized I never hit the record button. So there's one of my employees looking at me like I'm crazy because, well, I am. Normally I would polish out this section, but because we're about to put on a 3-layer overlay on it, I don't see much of a need to polish it out. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, and then just go ahead and start with the overlay. All right, so I lied. I'm going to polish it a little bit because I'm OCD like that, and I want to make it perfect. IPA wipe the surface. This is a quick and easy way to kind of alcohol wipe the surface. This is just medical grade rubbing alcohol. I wouldn't recommend this on painted surfaces that you may have just corrected, but for surfaces like this, plastic surfaces, just kind of those odd surfaces, it's a really quick way to wipe it out. All right. So, damn, I'm glad I didn't cut too deep with the razor blade. The vinyl's right there at the top. So, looks like just a list of stuff. And what do we have? You see that? Oh, you can't see it. So it looks like, I don't know what that is actually. Because it's a 3-part layer. All right, I know what this is. This is the final layer there. That looks cool. Can you see it? There you go. All right. And then this is the beehive. I want to say this is the first layer. And then, so this would be the second layer on top of it, of the first layer. They said they were going to send a second, I guess they didn't. Oh, this is cool. Little prep kit. Got some prep. Guess I didn't have to do what I already just did. Got a little squeegee, a little towel. Got a second squeegee. Got a decal fluid. I'm assuming that's to lubricate it so that you can put it on good. And then, I don't know what the fuck that is. Suede strip? I don't know what suede strip is. And then, all right, just marketing material. Luxe. Check out Luxe. All right, so Just measured it out. I need to apply the lubricate gel, solution on the back after pulling off the backing of it, and then it's go time.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Somebody's got Monday jokes. Second layer. Find out a solution here. It on here, it's pretty good. Just gonna give it one last push to see if there's any more liquids in there. I think it's nice and dry now inside. I'm gonna spray a little bit of prep. Just in case the surface got any kind of making sure that the surface is ready to adhere, doesn't have any oils. If you look right here, I kind of made some mistakes. So overall, looks good. We're gonna put the words on, it's gonna be awesome. But if you look right here, I actually didn't line it up perfectly. See that? One of the honeycombs is kind of coming out there. Then on this side, one's just slowly coming out there. Overall, looks pretty good, but those little areas not so much. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a razor blade and just kind of trim that off, just to kind of make it look just a little bit better there. But overall, it is ready to go. Now, I have a feeling that this is actually going to be the hardest one to put the vinyl on, because it's such a specific place to put it that I don't really have a way to see it before I lay it down. So I'm going to try to just kind of eyeball it, put it over here, and see if I can get some kind of working pattern to lay it on, and then commence to put the final piece on. Yeah. All right, let's get you guys' opinion. Does that look straight? It's kind of straight. I think it looks straight. It's gonna look straight today. All right, good people. So this was just a quick video. Wanted to put on that decal at the end. Sorry again about not recording taking off the Dodge logo, but I'm sure you can find videos taking that off. It's pretty simple. Use a heat gun. Be very careful. Pull them off. This is looking good. Got to clean up just a little bit of tape residue in a couple areas. Otherwise, I'm loving this. I am really loving this. That works. That actually looks way better, like way better. So again, it's been Taj and Cars, making this a quick one. I'm out. Peace. Ceramic coating is just looking phenomenal. Man, that looks good.